Harvard website citations are simple once you know the parts. Use author, year in parentheses, title, then cite or URL details. Write the surname first, then initials. If there is no person, use the organization name. Next comes the year in parentheses. If the page has no date, use ND, then add the web page title in sentence case, usually italicized, and finish it with a period. Finally, add the website name or URL details exactly as your guide requires. Example, Smith, J. 2024. Understanding Digital Archives, British Library. Avoid full first names and title case. Keep the title in sentence case. If no author is listed, start with the organization that published the page. Gentext formats Harvard website references in Word with punctuation and italics handled for you. Gentext formats Harvard citations automatically in Word. Free to try.